When I look back at Indonesia's journey over the past decade, I see one clear lesson. Change is never easy, but change is necessary. When I first became president, I had a simple question. How can we build a strong economy for 280 million people? We knew there were no shortcuts. That is why we focus on the basics, building roads, seaport, airport, power plant, and digital networks. Because without strong infrastructure, an economy cannot grow. And Indonesia has also made a great progress in digital infrastructure, building data centers, launching new satellites, expanding digital network, and improving connectivity across the nation.